The World Cup is not just a football tournament. For most people, it is a few weeks of entertainment, excitement, and unforgettable moments. For others, it becomes one of the biggest money-making opportunities they will ever see. Every 4 years, billions of people around the world suddenly become interested in the same thing at the same time. They search for match predictions, they watch highlights, they discuss players, they share reactions, they follow breaking news, they consume an incredible amount of content every single day. What most people do not realize is that whenever attention increases, money follows. Attention has always been one of the most valuable assets in the world. Companies spend billions of dollars trying to capture it. Advertisers compete aggressively for it. Creators build entire careers around it. Businesses grow because of it. And during the World Cup, attention reaches levels that are almost impossible to find anywhere else. The interesting part is that you no longer need a huge company, expensive equipment, or years of experience to benefit from this opportunity. Artificial intelligence has changed the game completely. A few years ago, creating content at scale required teams of writers, editors, designers, researchers, and marketers. Today, one person with the right AI tools can produce more content in 1 week than entire companies could create years ago. That changes everything. The opportunity is not limited to professional football analysts. You do not need to be a former player. You do not need millions of followers. You do not even need to show your face. You simply need a system. And throughout this video, I am going to show you exactly how such a system works. Not theory, not motivation, not unrealistic promises. A practical strategy built around real-world opportunities that emerge whenever a global event attracts billions of viewers. Before we continue, it is important to understand a simple principle. Most people approach major events as consumers. A smaller group approaches them as creators. An even smaller group approaches them as business owners. Consumers spend money. Creators earn attention. Business owners monetize attention. The difference between these three groups is responsible for a huge gap in results. Imagine two people watching the exact same match. The first person watches the game, celebrates goals, and then goes to sleep. The second person watches the same game but uses AI to create content, generate articles, produce short videos, answer audience questions, and build digital assets that continue attracting viewers long after the final whistle. One person consumes the event. The other transforms the event into an opportunity. This difference may seem small, but over time it creates dramatically different outcomes. Now let us look at a real example. During recent major sporting events, thousands of YouTube channels experienced explosive growth. Many of them were not official channels. Many were not run by famous sports journalists. Some were operated by ordinary people working from home. What made the difference was speed. The internet rewards speed. When millions of people suddenly search for a topic, whoever provides useful content first often captures the largest audience. This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. Imagine a match ends. Within minutes, AI can help generate a detailed summary. It can identify key statistics. It can explain tactical decisions. It can compare player performances. It can create multiple headlines. It can produce scripts for short-form videos. It can generate social media captions. It can help design thumbnails. It can even suggest future content ideas based on audience behavior. Instead of spending hours creating content, you can complete many tasks in minutes. That efficiency creates leverage. Leverage is one of the most important concepts in wealth creation. The ability to produce more results with less effort separates ordinary outcomes from extraordinary outcomes. World Cup audiences create enormous demand. AI helps you supply content quickly. When demand meets supply, opportunities emerge. But there is another important detail. The biggest opportunities are rarely found where everyone is looking. Most people immediately think about starting a YouTube channel. That can work. However, there are many additional opportunities that are often ignored. For example, businesses around the world constantly look for traffic. They want customers. They want visibility. They want engagement. And during the World Cup, many brands are willing to spend money reaching football fans. This creates opportunities for affiliate marketing. It creates opportunities for digital products. It creates opportunities for newsletters. It creates opportunities for niche websites. It creates opportunities for sponsorships. It creates opportunities for lead generation. The key is understanding where attention flows. Once you understand attention, monetization becomes much easier. Think about how many conversations happen around football every day during the tournament. Millions. People debate outcomes, people discuss players, people compare teams, people analyze strategies, people search for updates. Every search represents interest. Every interest represents potential value. The question is not whether money exists within this ecosystem. The question is whether you know how to position yourself to capture part of that value. This is where most people fail. They focus on creating content without first understanding the business model. That is like building a store before deciding what products to sell. A smarter approach is starting with monetization, then building content around that monetization strategy. For example, imagine you create an AI-powered football newsletter. Every day you provide match previews, predictions, player updates, and tournament insights. The content is generated efficiently with AI assistance. As the audience grows, sponsorship opportunities become available. Affiliate offers become available, premium memberships become available, and digital products become available. The audience becomes an asset, and assets generate income. This idea is extremely important. Many people chase money directly. Successful entrepreneurs often focus on building assets. Money follows assets. An audience is an asset. A newsletter is an asset. A website is an asset. A social media account is an asset. An email list is an asset. The World Cup simply accelerates the growth of these assets because public interest becomes extraordinarily high. Now imagine combining this with AI. Instead of writing every newsletter manually, AI helps generate first drafts. Instead of researching every statistic manually, AI assists with analysis. Instead of brainstorming endlessly, AI provides hundreds of ideas. Instead of spending hours editing content, AI streamlines production. The result is a system that scales far beyond what one individual could normally achieve. And when systems scale, income potential scales with them. This is why some people will make thousands of dollars during the World Cup, while others simply watch from the sidelines. The difference is not intelligence. The difference is execution. The difference is recognizing that major global events create temporary windows of opportunity. Those windows eventually close, but the people who act during them often build assets that continue producing results long after the event ends. The World Cup is one of the largest attention events on the planet. Billions of viewers, millions of conversations, countless searches, endless demand for information. For someone equipped with AI, this creates possibilities that previous generations could only dream about. And this is only the beginning, because in the next section, we are going to break down the exact AI business models that can realistically generate revenue during the World Cup, including a step-by-step framework that transforms football attention into measurable income. Now that we understand why the World Cup creates one of the biggest attention opportunities on the internet, the next question becomes very simple. How exactly can someone turn that attention into income using AI? This is where most people become confused. They hear stories about people making money online. They see screenshots. They hear impressive numbers, but they never see the actual process behind those results. The truth is that making money online is usually much less glamorous than people imagine. It is often the result of solving a problem, delivering value, and repeating a system consistently. The World Cup simply makes this process faster because billions of people are actively searching for information every day. The first AI business model is AI-powered football content creation. At first glance, this sounds ordinary. Thousands of creators already produce football content. However, most creators still operate manually. They spend hours researching. They spend hours writing. They spend hours editing. They spend hours creating thumbnails. They spend hours brainstorming ideas. AI changes all of that. Imagine a football fan searching for information about an upcoming match. They want predictions. They want statistics. They want injury updates. They want tactical analysis. They want information quickly. Using AI, one person can create dozens of high-quality content pieces every day. A match preview can become a blog article. That article can become a newsletter. The newsletter can become multiple social media posts. The social media posts can become short videos. The short videos can become discussion threads. One piece of research can generate an entire ecosystem of content. This is called content multiplication. And content multiplication is one of the most powerful advantages AI provides. Let us consider a practical example. Imagine two creators. The first creator publishes one article per day. The second creator uses AI to transform every article into 10 different pieces of content distributed across multiple platforms. After 30 days, the first creator has 30 content assets. The second creator has 300. Who has a better chance of attracting traffic? The answer is obvious. The internet rewards visibility. The more useful content you distribute, the greater your chances of reaching people. This brings us to the second AI business model: AI-powered YouTube automation. Many people assume they need to appear on camera to build a successful YouTube channel. That is not necessarily true. Some of the fastest-growing channels use voiceovers, animations, graphics, statistics, and storytelling. AI can assist with scripting. AI can assist with research. AI can assist with voice generation. AI can assist with editing workflows. The creator focuses on strategy, while AI accelerates production. Now imagine creating daily World Cup content, match previews, player stories, tournament history, predictions, tactical breakdowns, biggest surprises, underdog stories. Every topic attracts a different audience segment. Some viewers love analysis, others love entertainment, others enjoy statistics, others enjoy historical comparisons. A successful creator understands that every audience segment represents an opportunity. The goal is not to create content for everyone. The goal is to create content that serves a specific audience exceptionally well. When that happens, growth becomes much easier. The third AI business model is affiliate marketing. This is where things become particularly interesting. Many companies sell products and services related to sports fans, streaming services, sports merchandise, fantasy sports platforms, VPN services, betting-related educational content where legally permitted, fitness products, sports apps, football training programs, language learning platforms targeting international football audiences. The opportunities are everywhere. Affiliate marketing works because businesses are willing to pay commissions for customers. Instead of creating your own product immediately, you promote existing products and earn a percentage of sales. AI helps by generating content that attracts potential customers. The process becomes relatively straightforward. Create valuable content, build audience trust, recommend useful products, earn commissions, repeat. Simple does not mean easy. However, it does mean understandable. Many successful online businesses are built on remarkably simple foundations. The complexity often comes from execution rather than theory. The fourth AI business model is newsletter publishing. This opportunity is frequently underestimated. People often think newsletters are outdated. Reality tells a different story. Email remains one of the most powerful communication channels ever created. Social media algorithms change. Platforms rise and fall. But an email list belongs to you. That ownership matters. Imagine collecting thousands of football fans during the World Cup. Every day they receive useful updates. Every day they engage with your content. Every day your relationship with them becomes stronger. Eventually, that audience becomes valuable not only during the World Cup, but long after the tournament ends. Many successful businesses began with something as simple as a newsletter. What started as information eventually evolved into sponsorships, consulting services, digital products, communities, and premium subscriptions. The fifth AI business model involves digital products. This is where scalability becomes extraordinary. Unlike physical products, digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. A guide created once can be sold thousands of times. A template created once can be sold thousands of times. An educational resource created once can generate revenue for years. For example, imagine creating a comprehensive football content creator toolkit. The toolkit could include AI prompts, content templates, thumbnail templates, video structures, newsletter frameworks, research systems, audience growth strategies. Everything a new creator needs. AI can dramatically accelerate the creation process. Once the product exists, distribution becomes the primary focus. Now let us address the most important question. Can someone realistically make $50,000 during the World Cup? The answer is yes, but not in the way most people imagine. Very few people suddenly wake up and earn $50,000 overnight. Most substantial results come from combining multiple revenue streams. Consider this example. A creator earns $10,000 from sponsorships, another $10,000 from affiliate commissions, $15,000 from digital products, $5,000 from newsletter advertising, $10,000 from YouTube monetization. Individually, none of these numbers seem impossible. Combined, they surpass $50,000. This is how many successful online businesses operate. They do not depend on one source of income. They build multiple streams around the same audience. This approach reduces risk. It also increases long-term sustainability. Now let us discuss a critical mistake. Many people spend too much time learning and not enough time building. They watch tutorials endlessly. They consume motivational content. They take notes. They create plans. They create more plans. Meanwhile, someone else starts publishing content immediately. The internet rewards action. Perfection rarely wins. Consistency often does. The first article may not be perfect. The first video may not be perfect. The first newsletter may not be perfect. The first social media post may not be perfect. That is normal. Improvement comes through repetition. Every successful creator once produced content that nobody noticed. Every successful entrepreneur once made mistakes. Every successful business once started small. The difference is that they continued, they learned, they adapted, they improved, and eventually, the results followed. As the World Cup approaches, millions of people will focus exclusively on entertainment. There is nothing wrong with enjoying the tournament. Football is meant to be enjoyed. The excitement, the drama, the unforgettable moments, the celebrations, the heartbreaks, the stories, all of it contributes to the magic of the event. However, a small percentage of people will see something more. They will see opportunity. They will see attention. They will see demand. They will see audiences searching for answers. They will see businesses seeking visibility. They will see systems capable of generating value. Most importantly, they will take action. Artificial intelligence is not a magic money machine. It will not replace hard work. It will not replace discipline. It will not replace creativity, but it can amplify all three. A disciplined person becomes more productive. A creative person becomes more efficient. A consistent person becomes more scalable. That is where the true power of AI exists, not in replacing human effort, but in multiplying human capability. The World Cup represents a limited time opportunity. The attention will arrive. The conversations will happen. The searches will increase. The audiences will gather. The only remaining question is whether you will simply watch the opportunity pass by or position yourself to benefit from it. Years from now, most people will remember the goals, the champions, the celebrations, the headlines. A smaller group will remember something else. They will remember that the World Cup became the moment they built an audience, the moment they started a business, the moment they learned a valuable skill, the moment they discovered the power of leverage, the moment they realized that attention, when combined with AI and execution, can become one of the most valuable assets in the digital economy. And perhaps most importantly, they will remember that success did not come from luck. It came from recognizing an opportunity, creating value, serving an audience, and acting while others were only watching. That is the exact mindset behind making significant income during the World Cup with AI. Not chasing shortcuts, not chasing hype, but building systems that transform attention into value and value into income. And those who master that process will continue benefiting long after the final match has been played, the trophy has been lifted, and the world has moved on to the next big event.